Welcome to part 3 of the ReGen-X demonstration video series. In this part of the demonstration, we are introducing the ReGen-X motor. And the ReGen-X motor is a pulsed DC stepper motor, and it operates differently from a conventional DC motor in that it consumes input electrical power and it outputs mechanical power like any other stepper motor, but it also delivers electrical output power. Because the ReGen-X motor incorporates ReGen-X generator coils, the ReGen-X motor can operate simultaneously as an electric motor and an electric generator. So normally with a conventional pulsed DC motor, there is an input current that makes the rotor magnetic field move, and then the current is changed direction, and the next pulse influences the next opposite polarity rotor magnet that's coming into position. The ReGen-X motor is different in its operation in that it toggles between operating as a motor and a generator, and a motor and a generator and a motor and a generator. So in motor mode, current flows into the coil. A magnetic field is produced around the coil that influences the rotor magnet, makes it move, and normally in an electric motor, as the rotor magnet moves away, the current in the motor coil would change direction to influence the next opposite rotor magnet polarity. The ReGen-X coil, once the rotor magnet has been made to move, the ReGen-X motor coil collects the magnetic field that's created around the coil, returns it to the EV's battery, and also simultaneously the ReGen-X motor operates in generator mode. So motor mode on one pulse and generator mode in the other. And so initially our ReGen-X motor is consuming 0.43 amps, and right now we're delivering back to our battery 0.54 amps. So now I'm going to increase the speed of the ReGen-X motor. Delivering 2 amps to our ReGen-X motor, and we're collecting back 1.4 amps to our batteries, and we are recharging our batteries in